try. Do you know I'm looking?
Oh, welcome back to my YouTube channel, everybody. I have a slow-paced extra video for you this week because we had a storm and I just used the day to just catch up in the house because the past week I actually had a touch of a flu and I was in bed a couple of days trying to do some work, and my house just kind of, you know how it is, the housework just creeps up. So I'm having a cozy day at home and I wanted to just catch up on jobs. So I'm just changing up my bed sheets, cleaning the bathroom. I need to clean my office, and I just wanted to kind of put together a quick video just to check in with you guys as well.
Forever, forever, forever. I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever, forever, forever. I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay?
I would love to say that my office looks messier than it is, but it's not. This is the accumulation of me dumping my tools, and yeah, it's become a dump ground. This was only a couple of days as well. Also, I got some packages for the garden because my brother's roped in to do a bit of landscaping for me. So I have some lawn edging, some weed membrane. I'm waiting on my pond to come. I've got like 2 tons of stone and soil coming as well. But that's what that is. And then I just have loads of power tools that I didn't put away, and that's what I'm going to organise. I even have stuff over there. This will be clean and it will be satisfying. I also have, I have to cover it because I'm not allowed to reveal it yet. But YouTube fam, you know what this is. I'm actually going to be able to reveal it soon. I can show you the name and my publisher, the O'Brien Press. The postman brought this during the week and I was like, in my head I was like, I know what's inside that package. So this is the cover of my book and I'm allowed to reveal it on Thursday. Well, I think Thursday. It's TBC. But definitely next week on my Instagram, I have to go and film a cute reveal video, which I'm really excited to do. And I'll have a pre-order link. And yeah, now pre-order, you have to wait ages for pre-order. So the release date at the moment for the book is May. So like late spring, so May. And I kind of feel like that's ages away, but they were like, no, that's kind of like normal. Like the book hasn't gone to proper print yet. It's still, the book is sitting on hard drives. Emma, the designer, is doing an amazing job at putting it all like visually together. Yeah, I think the reason why pre-orders are so long is to gauge like if I'll even sell any, because the last thing I want to do is have thousands of copies of my book sitting in a warehouse and no one wants to buy it. So I think the pre-orders give, because like I'm obviously like a first time author, even saying that actually choked me up saying that. Let's just blame my influenza this week. Let's just blame the mess on my desk that I don't want to clean and is making me emotional. But yeah, even saying them words, I'm like, whoa. But yes, there is going to be a pre-order link, and it's going to be with Eason's. Like, you'll be able to pre-order in loads of places, but Eason's are going to be doing a giveaway, and I think it's a tea set. I haven't even seen it. So just keep an eye on my Instagram this week. So I think around about Thursday the 16th, but TBC. I'll probably get in trouble for saying this, but hey, they can't pull my book now. I've got one in my hand. Yeah, keep an eye on my Instagram, because I'm going to make a cute, like, swishy reel. Well, I'm going to try and make one anyway to do a reveal and an announcement, because I feel like I never get to announce stuff. Like, I'm doing the whole, like, Instagram, YouTube, and I see people launching their products or their things, and I'm clapping for them, and I'm always like, when is it going to be my turn? But I'm coming into season, girls, just like my book. I'd love to share the cover with you now, but I think I'll get into trouble, and I might have to even blur what's in my hands, because I know that my hands, I'll probably end up, yeah, accidentally revealing it. So I'm actually going to put the book into the kitchen so I don't, yeah, so I don't accidentally reveal it. And now let's clean my office. Also, another random thing I ordered, so excited, was a pocket hole, a pocket. I get so excited for pockets. This is not for fabric though. This is a pocket jig. So, oh yes, I love tools. A twin pocket hole jig. That was my Black Friday order. That and hair rollers was my order. So yeah, a twin pocket hole jig. This happens where I watch DIY videos or carpentry videos. I find really relaxing to watch. You know, the ones with no talking, it's just sound. They're kind of like ASMR, like vibey. But yeah, I'll watch something and I'm like, ooh, I want to do like a pocket hole, and then I'll go and order the thing, and then they arrive and I'm like, oh yeah, what was I watching again? But that has been on my list, the pocket hole jig. Yeah, that's the only thing random. Everything else is just stuff from DIY supplies, and I was working with Cloud 10, so I box up the cosmetic stuff and I just give them away to my friends and family. I don't get much, like, PR. I'll keep like one or two things for myself, but I've only one face. So I just give them to my friends, and I haven't seen my two besties, so I'm going to make them up a little package of goodies for them, just to say thanks for listening to me, especially throughout writing a book and being patient with me and skipping points to write. You know, you gotta do what you gotta do to birth the book. But anyway, I just wanted to share the joy of me getting a twin pocket hole jig.
I wanna close my eyes and go back, play it in my mind. A movie of us two, yeah, we were happy at the time. Can't remember what it felt like. We used to be so strong. That picture perfect sky now, and looks so gray cold.
I feel like there's nothing better to do on a stormy afternoon when it's absolutely miserable outside than just light the fire and watch cute movies. And I have been saving this movie for ages. Every year, with pleasure, I watch either The Holiday or Love Actually. I actually watch both of them, and I decided today was the day that I was going to light a fire. Blondie was going to be at my feet. We were going to have lots of tea, and we were going to watch The Holiday. You can probably hear the fire still blazing in the background as I record this voiceover. I would love to know, what is your favourite Christmas movie? You can let me know in the comments below, and I hope you enjoyed this extra video this week.
We went to Paris in July.